Hey, welcome to English with Me, the podcast. I'm so happy you're here. Before we jump into today's episode, I want to say something important. Podcasts are one of the best tools to improve your English. Seriously? Why? Because you can listen anytime while cleaning, cooking, walking, relaxing, and your ears are getting used to real, natural English. You hear the rhythm, the tone, the way we really talk in daily life. So, just by being here, you are learning without even trying too hard. Isn't that cool? So today, I thought we could do something fun. Let's have a casual English conversation. I'll play both sides like a mini role play. It's like you're listening to two friends talking in English. Easy, relaxed, and natural. You can just listen, or even better, repeat after me and shadow the conversation. Ready? Hey, oh my gosh, it's been forever. How have you been?
I know, right? It's been what, 6 months? I have been okay. Life's been busy. What about you?
Same here. Work is non-stop, and I have been trying to get serious about improving my English.
Oh, really? That's awesome. What are you doing these days for practice?
Well, I started listening to English podcasts. Like this one actually. It helps more than I expected.
I have heard that's good. I just get lazy sometimes. I started something and then I stop after a few days.
That used to be me. But I realized I don't need to study hard. Just listen while I do my daily stuff. Like when I'm cooking, I play a podcast, or when I go for a walk.
Hmm, maybe I should try that. Do you only listen or do you speak too?
A bit of both. Sometimes I shadow the sentences, repeat right after the speaker. It helps with pronunciation and confidence.
Oh, that's called shadowing, right? I have heard about it on YouTube.
Exactly. I usually pick just one short video or audio a day and repeat it 2 or 3 times.
Nice. You know what my biggest problem is? Vocabulary. I forget new words so fast.
Same, but I recently started this little thing. I write down just one word a day. That's it, one word. I use it in a sentence and I try to say it in my conversations.
That's smart. Way better than trying to remember 20 words and then forgetting all of them.
Exactly. And guess what? I have been using the word awkward all week.
Oh, yeah. How?
Like, it was so awkward when I waved at someone who wasn't waving at me. Or, I feel awkward because I didn't know what to say.
Perfect examples. That word is actually useful. I should try that too.
Do it. Maybe we can share our word of the day with each other.
Deal. Starting tomorrow?
Okay, but seriously, have you ever tried talking to yourself in English?
Not really. Feels a bit weird.
I know, but hear me out. It works. Just talk through what you are doing. Like, now I'm making tea, I'm adding sugar. Oops, too much. It's like brain training but in English.
Oh, okay. That actually sounds fun and nobody can judge me.
Exactly. Plus, your brain starts thinking in English naturally over time.
All right, I'll try it. Maybe I'll start with now I'm brushing my teeth in English.
Haha, love it. That's the spirit.
Hey, do you think we should have an English day every week? Like only English, no other language?
Oh, yes, like maybe Sunday, English Day. We could text, voice note, everything in English.
Let's do it. Even if we make mistakes, we are learning.
That's the point. Mistakes mean you are trying. See, that's how natural English can sound. Just two friends chatting, joking, and helping each other learn. All in very simple English. By the way, you can replay this conversation and try shadowing both sides. Or choose one person's line and repeat them out loud. The more you listen and speak, the more confident you will feel. And hey, if you laughed or smiled during that awkward moment story, you are officially part of the club. That's it for today's episode of English with Me, the podcast. Remember, you don't need to be perfect. You just need to keep showing up, keep listening, and keep practicing. Even 10 minutes a day makes a difference. If you liked this conversation style episode, let me know. I would love to create more. Maybe next time we'll do a conversation at the coffee shop or traveling in English episode. Thanks for spending time with me today. Please let me know your opinion about this kind of podcast in the comments below. Keep learning, keep smiling, and I'll see you in the next one.